Aquarius by Air Babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a path to light. You have a new journey. A new door is opening up to you. A new plant is actually blossoming. You may have been planting a lot of different gifts in plants or knocking at a lot of different doors, but which one is opening up to you? Which plant is blossoming the best or blossoming with the most prosperity, the most work or progress? I want you to zone in on that, walk through that door, cherish and work on that blossoming plant right there, that gift, and then everything else will fall into place at the right time. But take opportunity, because opportunity doesn't always knock twice. The same opportunity doesn't always knock twice. I make a conscious choice to move toward the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts. I overcome obstacles by being positive and having and exercising acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to every being unconditionally. It's your time. Take the opportunity, because you never know how long it will take for you to get the opportunity once again. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.